Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy memory wire bracelet. And what you're going to need for the project is your memory wire. This is just the bracelet size. I'm going to use a variety of stones and some beads. These ones are pre-strung. Another tip is you can buy like an old necklace and take it apart to use the beads. You're going to need some round pliers. Don't use your best round pliers because the memory wire is made of steel. It's very strong and stiff. And you're going to need some cutters that you don't mind pocking up. So use some strong cutters or use these memory wire cutters from Beadalon. I'll link them up in the description. So here's a bracelet that my friend Allison made. You can see it's a simple single band that goes around the wrist once, and it just overlaps a couple of inches there so it doesn't come apart. And I'm going to do the same style as this one. So you'll need your memory wire, and then what I'll do is this time, instead of doing like just one band around, I will go around the wrist twice. So I'll just bring this up here to measure it. So we'll have a full turn around, and then we'll just cut this next layer here. You could go around as many times as you like, and so leave like a ½ inch that's going to be turned back into your loop, and then just cut your wire where you want it to end here. So just put it in there, cut it, and that makes a nice straight cut. And then to get started, you just take your memory wire loop, open it up, and you need to do a loop on one end. So I'm just going to do it you could do either down or up, either way you want. So if you're going to do it down towards the center, just grab the end. And like I said, do not use your best round pliers because this wire is extremely stiff. These are some more heavy duty round pliers that I have, and I'm just going to twist it around like that. And then if you need your flat pliers to make sure it's flush in place, you can use your flat pliers as well. And then all you really have to do is string on your beads. And what I like about these pre-strung beads is you can just like pick up a strand. I'll just trim the end with my regular snippers. That's just a plastic cord in there. And then what's fun to do with these pre-strung strands is you're just going to take as many as you can hold between your thumb and the fingertip at once. So you're just going to pull them off, and then you're going to string your memory wire through them. And then basically they all go in at once, so it saves putting them on one by one. So maybe if you want to do a pattern, count how many you're going to put on. So say we're going to put on 6, and then you can choose whatever stone that you want to put on. So I'll just put on this little tiger eye one, and then the same thing, you're going to take your beads, so just like eyeball, which you want to do about 6 or 7, and then string them on there. And then we'll put on our next stone, whichever one you want to go next. And you'll just keep going with your pattern until you're a ½ inch from the end. So once you're about ½ inch to the end, you're going to turn the end. If you have a little more than ½ inch and need to trim it, go ahead and trim it. And then just take your round pliers again and just give it that little loopy bend. So just bring it around. Don't worry too much about centering the loop. You just want to close the loop so the beads don't come off. So you just bend it so it's like right flush against there. If you need to use your flat pliers just to get it like right in there so that it's not scratchy, just go ahead and do that. To put on the bracelet, you're just going to hook it around your wrist and then just wind it around. And there you have your beautiful memory wire bracelet that's not going to fall off your arm. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to join my Facebook group, the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, I'll link it up below. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wire wedding cake toppers and unique jewelry. I also send out a monthly newsletter, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook, where I give a list of my supplies and materials and a few tips. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you the next time.